Hello, welcome back. The name python is believed to have originated from the Greek word python, which referred to a mythical serpent or dragon. In Greek mythology, Python was a monstrous serpent or dragon that guarded the oracle of Delphi and was eventually slain by the god Apollo. The association of this mythical creature with the snake family Pythonidae led to the name python being used to refer to these large, non-venomous snakes. And this 8 facts about pythons.
Number 1.
Pythons are a group of non-venomous snakes belonging to the Pythonidae family, known for their large size and powerful constriction abilities. They are found in a wide range of habitats across Africa, Asia, and Australia, including forests, grasslands, swamps, and even urban areas.
Number 2.
The reticulated python, Python reticulatus, is the longest snake species, with individuals recorded to exceed 30 feet in length. Pythons are known for their ability to ambush and constrict their prey, which includes small mammals, birds, and reptiles.
Number 3.
They have specialized heat-sensing pits on their upper lips, allowing them to detect warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. Pythons are excellent swimmers and can remain submerged for extended periods to catch aquatic prey. In some cultures, pythons are revered and even worshipped as symbols of fertility, protection, and divine power.
Number 4.
Pythons are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs and they typically coil around their eggs to provide protection and regulate their temperature until they hatch. They have a slow metabolism and can go without food for several weeks or even months after consuming a large meal.
Number 5.
Pythons have stretchable ligaments in their jaws that enable them to swallow prey much larger than their own heads. After a large meal, pythons enter a state called torpor, where their metabolic rate decreases and they become less active to conserve energy during digestion.
Number 6.
Pythons communicate using a combination of hissing sounds, body movements, and visual displays to convey territorial warnings or mating signals. While pythons are generally solitary animals, they may come together during the breeding season to mate.
Number 7.
Female pythons lay their eggs in hidden locations, such as burrows or hollow logs, and they will stay coiled around the eggs to provide protection until they hatch. Python skin is highly valued for its use in the fashion industry, leading to significant poaching and illegal trade, which has posed a threat to some python populations.
Number 8.
The Burmese python, Python bivitatus, is a popular species in the pet trade, but their large size and complex care requirements make them unsuitable pets for most people. Several python species are considered endangered or vulnerable due to habitat loss, hunting, and the exotic pet trade.
Thank you for watching this video on the 8 Facts Discoveries channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more fascinating facts in our upcoming videos. Stay curious and see you soon.